Oh, hi, my name is Robert Adams. What I want to talk about in this video is reasons why you shouldn't file bankruptcy. Big banks and finance companies constantly tell you, even if you're way over your head in debt, you shouldn't file. They do it because they don't want you to, or to delay it, to squeeze every last penny they can. So let's go over a few of them, if you don't mind. It's an admission of failure. No, it's not. When you analyze your debt situation and know that you can't repay it in a reasonable period of time, filing bankruptcy is rather a bold move on your part so that you know you can now get rid of the debt and take control of your finances for the benefit of yourself and for your family. You can start to lead a decent life. Some of the other reasons. I'll never be able to establish credit after bankruptcy. That's just not true. Within 12 to 24 months, if you pay your bills, get some small credit and pay it, your credit score can go up into the 700s. And a big fear, I won't be able to buy a car or a house if I file bankruptcy. Again, that's not true. Many of my clients get a car with financing immediately after filing. When it comes to houses, it generally takes 2 to 4 years, depending on whether it's FHA, VA, or conventional. You have to maintain and manage your bills. Each of those only require a credit score of about 650 or more. Obviously, the higher, the better for you. I'll lose my property in a bankruptcy case. That's not true. For personal property, there are exemptions. There are some rare cases where property could be at risk. That's why you use a bankruptcy lawyer. They will analyze so you will know. And if you do have some property at risk, which is very rare, there are workarounds. A bankruptcy attorney can tell you if there's a danger, if you have too much equity. And again, they can discuss alternatives. I'll lose my job. No. Federal law prevents discrimination on your current job and looking for a new job. It doesn't worry about your pensions. Again, federal law exempts all pensions that are qualified, IRAs, 401ks, and other similar pensions. Then there's, I can't file Chapter 7 if my income is too high. This is because of what they call the means test. Only about 5% of people have a problem here. There's a threshold above which you could have a problem, depending on the size of your family. Even when you're above the means test, frequently we can show that you can file Chapter 7. And for others, there's always Chapter 13. And frankly, in some of the Chapter 13 cases of so-called high earners, they pay less than 100% to unsecured debts. Income tax can't be discharged in bankruptcy. Well, that's only partially true. If you have filed your personal income tax returns, taxes over 3 years old are dischargeable in bankruptcy. Then they hear not all debts are dischargeable in bankruptcy. This is partially true. You have debts like child support arrears, most student loans, and some income tax. Parking tickets are a special breed. Parking tickets are not dischargeable in a Chapter 7, but they are in a Chapter 13. But when it comes to Chicago, there's a special program, Chicago Fresh Start program, combined with Chapter 7, where you can get rid of tickets that are older than 3 years and have a repayment plan for the younger tickets. The main thing is when you're overwhelmed in debt, take some kind of action. Talk to a financial advisor or a bankruptcy attorney. The nice thing about bankruptcy lawyers in the Chicago and Illinois area, the consultation is free, it's confidential, and there's no obligation. You'll get how a bankruptcy works, the terms, what it means, and the process. And you can say, well, this is for me, or it's not for me. You always have that option. That's about the end of this video. I hope it has helped you. If you need to talk, I hope you call us. We're always available. And thank you for watching. God bless you.